Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp linguine Alfredo. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 pound of large shrimp, a package of linguine, and 1 pint of heavy cream. Don't forget fresh Parmesan cheese and 3 cloves of garlic. Start by cooking your linguine until it's perfectly al dente, then set it aside. This ensures everything comes together smoothly. Now, let's cook our shrimp. Make sure your shrimp are patted dry. This helps them sear beautifully. Season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, just until they turn pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook them, or they'll become tough. Next, we'll create that luscious Alfredo sauce. In the same skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Pour in 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer. Finally, gradually stir in 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until the sauce is smooth, creamy, and slightly thickened. This is where the magic happens. Almost there, add your cooked linguine and the perfectly cooked shrimp directly into the creamy Alfredo sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure every strand of pasta and every shrimp is beautifully coated. Serve immediately with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and extra Parmesan. For a spotless kitchen after your delicious meal, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade shrimp linguine Alfredo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.